Hello, welcome again to this channel. I am Felix Bliss and I'm going to walk you through this tutorial. As you can see from the picture here, we are going to correct this image to the normal one. This image is distorted. The eye is very big, the mouth is very big, the nose is very big. Therefore, we need to restore it to the normal one. Without much ado, let's start. The first thing you need to do is, if your image is not in smart object, I mean smart object. If you don't know anything about smart object or rasterized objects, click on the top there. I have a video on that and watch it. Fully explain. Okay. After that, come back here and watch this one. So to do that, I'm giving you just a very few tips here. Right click on the layer, then convert this one to a smart layer, convert to smart object. I've already done that, so there's no need for me to do that again. So our aim is to restore this image. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we will go to filter, and then there is something we call liquify. Say after me, liquify. I like that. So you click on liquify. After clicking on liquify, wait, the window will pop up, liquify window will pop up, then we'll work on that. It's taking some time to process. Okay, now this is the window for liquify. Photoshop is so powerful that the AI is able to detect where is your face, your nose, your eyes. So for you to do that, all you need to do is just go to the eyes, and then the size is 0. What is the aim here? The aim here is to reduce the size of the eyes, because if you increase it, look at, we are just distorting it more. So our aim is not to distort it, our aim is to restore it. So I will I will put this one down to -100. Can you see that? Look at before, after. Then I'll push this one to -100. I'll push the height to -100. Do same for this, do same for this, and then do same for this. Then the eye is quite tilted, as you can see. You see, the normal eye shouldn't be this way. You can see that this one, it has been tilted this way. We don't want it that way, so I will tilt it back again to -50. So I'm explaining to you liquify tool, liquify. So this is what we call liquify. Anything you want to do with the face, you want to modify the face, you want to change it, you want to increase the size, you want to add volume to it, you need liquify. Say liquify. Very good. Now what we are going to do again is we will do same for the other side, this side. We will do same for this side, minus or minus, I don't know, -50. Then we have this. The eye distance should be 0. We are done with the eyes. Now let's do same for mouth. Okay, we will do same for mouth. So the mouth, sorry, we will go to the nose. The nose too is quite big. You reduce it small. You reduce it to -100, and this one -100. Look at the mouth. The smiling is too much. You can reduce that one as well to 100, and then -100. Upper lip -100. We are almost done. Then we will do same for the forehead. For the forehead, what we are going to do now is we will just bring it down to -50. Okay, -50. This is what we have. Very good. But the eyes, this is not the normal eyes of this picture. The eye is too big for me. So what we can do is we will just duplicate our actions. So look at before, after. A lot of changes has been done on this. So don't undermine the use of uh Liquify tool in Photoshop. It's very powerful. Now click on OK. So we are done with that. Now you can make a copy of the Liquify, or you can convert this one again to smart objects. Very good. Then repeat the same procedure. So go to filter, liquify, and then wait for the window to pop up because the eye is too big again. So we need to reduce the eye size. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is my focus is on the eye, not on anything, on the eye. So I'll go to the eyes, then I'll reduce the size. I'll reduce the size for this one. I'll reduce the size. Now, look at this. Wow, look at this. Very powerful. Now, I have modified the thing. I didn't keep a copy of this, the old one. So, anytime you are working in Photoshop, try and make a duplicate of things. But I did not keep a copy. So, I will just go in for the main picture again. This is the picture I am working on. So, look at this picture. Oh my God, this is crazy, man. Look at this picture. So just create new layer. Let's copy this. Control C. Then come here and paste it. Control V. So let's take this one off. So now look at before. This is the before. Okay, look at before. Let me zoom in. Look at before. Look at after. Oh my God, big changes, big changes. Thank you for watching these tutorials. If you enjoy it, click on the like button and then comment, share our videos, and then subscribe to this channel. My name once again is Felix Bliss. Bye bye.